Hi, this is Jeremy here on behalf of ExpertVillage, here to teach you the next twist in the menagerie of twists I'm teaching you. This is called the pinch twist. Now the pinch twist is used basically when you want a more graceful turn than a bear ear can offer you. A bear ear, when you put it on there, very abrupt corner. Now with a pinch twist, what you do is you fold the balloon over, you grab half of the balloon in a pinch, and you twist your hand as you're letting it go. And what that does is it creates a similar corner, but without that extra bubble there. And the other version of it you can do is if you take the balloon, and you round it like that, and you actually squeeze it, try and get one side heated up more than the other, and you can create a curve. The reason it does this is because as you pinch or rub the balloon, it weakens that side. The stronger side pulls it and creates the curve or bend. So the weaker you make it without popping it, the stronger a curve you can get. Now, I use it a lot for the tail on a monkey. It makes for a much more graceful tail. And when I'm doing human figures, especially girls like princesses, for the arms, it also seems to make for a little bit more graceful look to them.